also have the cleaning techniques, right? Like dhauti. So dhauti is one of the cleaning technique which you will get rid of the acidity. So dhauti, where you have to drink lot of water early in the morning, maybe small amount of a pinch of salt is there. If people are suffering from the blood pressure, they may not do, they should not do this. They should connect with their doctor before doing this. Okay, and then puking it out very quickly. Dhauti has an immense effect. I will have a separate session on dhauti rather. Okay. Similarly, basti, it's a little bit difficult to do it, but if you do actually practice, if you go to panchakarma and if you devise your technique with a small tube, then basti, it will actually remove everything from the colon. The person who is doing basti, you will find that the person can be pointed out in 10 different people that this is the person who is doing this basti cleaning technique. It will actually relieve every kind of release, every kind of garbage from the rectum as well as from the colon, right? Similarly, nauli, where it's a little bit difficult, but you should have a practice of uddan, and also you should have a practice of tummy exercise, and after that you can do nauli, where you put your both the hands over your knee, standing position, and try to move the intake muscle of your stomach, and you can have the nauli, and it is very useful to increase your digestive power. So these kind of cleaning techniques also can be used.